big question currently is what's happening with our real estate market. We've seen a meltdown in prices in the States, driven by the subprime problem that they've had. And in other parts of the world there's also been the oil issues and various other things which have been affecting values. Vancouver, however, still remains a very positive place to invest money in real estate. The long-term outlook, I think, is very good. A good way of thinking about this is just to look at, since I've been in the business since '78, I've got a graph on the website on the sales page which shows how our prices have increased over time in the last 30 years. And it's a tremendous increase. It's basically been a sort of a steady go. We do have some sort of lulls and some tapering off and plateauing, but essentially it's a straight line upwards. And I think that the next 30 years are going to go something very similar to this, or maybe even more, given current world conditions with wars and strife and hunger and so forth in other places. Vancouver's becoming a more and more attractive place to look. And of course we do have our Olympics to highlight how wonderful we are, which is going to very much, I think, showcase us and give us some assistance. Now in the short term, probably we are going to see some falling off. We have seen that. Today from the BC Real Estate Council I received the notice, the regular follow-up that they have, and this is from Cameron Muir, the chief economist, very well respected gentleman, and basically we're showing that the residential sales have been down quite significantly, 37% in sales. That's 6,541 units over last year, and prices as well have declined. Another colleague of mine was showing me that a house on the west side of Vancouver basically declined about 20% since last September. So I'm thinking that we're seeing prices rolling back probably to 2006 levels. There was some overheating in the market and a little bit of greed, I think, and I think we're seeing the market falling back to a more sort of healthy situation. Things are still trading, so it's not all negative. It's not like how it can be sometimes when I remember when interest rates hit 22%, nobody was buying. But we're still getting properties bought and sold. And the issue is, if you are looking to purchase a property, you can never get in at the very bottom, and obviously you don't want to get in at the very top if you're selling. But the best inventory is always prior to the nadir of the market. So I would suggest, if you're looking, you can contact our office, and I'll have Victoria do some research for you, and we'll keep you on our list of properties of the kind of inventory that you're looking for. Anyway, to sum up, I think we are in for a cooling off period, but I don't feel that the long term is very negative. I feel that we're still going to see the same kind of growth that we've seen over the last 30 years. So please contact Downtown Suites for all your real estate buying needs. We're here to help you. Thank you.